Hey guys, I love this atmosphere. It's a great place to share ideas. I was thinking about design patterns and how they can really help us structure our code. What's everyone's favorite?
I'm a big fan of the singleton pattern. It ensures that a class has only one instance and provides a global point of access to it. It's super useful for managing shared resources.
Absolutely. Singleton is great for things like configuration settings. But I also find the factory pattern really helpful, especially when you need to create objects without specifying the exact class. It enhances code flexibility.
I can see how that helps in your areas. From a design perspective, I like using the observer pattern. It's perfect for implementing event-driven systems where multiple components need to react to state changes.
That's interesting. I've used the observer pattern in JavaScript for handling events. It simplifies the process of managing UI updates when the underlying data changes.
Right. And what about the strategy pattern? It allows you to define a family of algorithms, encapsulate each one, and make them interchangeable. It's super useful for applications that need to switch algorithms based on different conditions.
Exactly. I used the strategy pattern recently when building an e-commerce site, and we had to implement different payment methods. This pattern made it easy to switch between them without changing the core logic.
And on the design side, we often utilize the decorator pattern. It allows us to add new functionalities to objects dynamically without altering their structure. It's great for enhancing UI components.
Totally. I used it to add new features to buttons without having to modify the base button class. It keeps the code clean and maintainable.
Another pattern I find helpful is the adapter pattern. It lets you integrate new components into an existing system without changing the original code. It's ideal when you have to work with third-party services.
That's a good point, Jamie. The adapter pattern is crucial for ensuring that new systems can interact with legacy code, preserving the overall integrity of the application.
I think it's fascinating how these design patterns not only help with coding, but also improve collaboration between developers and designers. They provide a common language.
Exactly. It creates a bridge between our teams. Plus, understanding these patterns helps us write better documentation and maintain a consistent approach.
I agree. It can also simplify onboarding for new team members. When they know these patterns, they can jump into projects more smoothly.
And let's not forget that using design patterns can significantly reduce debugging time. When you encounter a problem, knowing which pattern is in play helps you pinpoint issues faster.
I love this discussion. It's clear that design patterns are fundamental to building robust software. Let's make sure to incorporate these insights into our future projects.
Definitely. I'm inspired to implement more design patterns in my work. It's such a practical approach to coding.